Ngithanda ukuthi ke nginibingelele khona la ku Backspace sengiphinde ngabuya ke funa indaba ke ithinto ezedisk indaba ke nje isematheni ezenzeka lapha kumaqembu akuyi PSL. Ngiphethe ke la indaba kade isematheni indaba ke ithinta lapha abadlali bayo ki Kaizer Chiefs okumdusha balala naye ke lapha uVilakazi. Labadlali kade bengekho ke lapha ngeSoweto Derby ndike kube nemibuzo ke eminingi ukuthi ke ingani ke bengekho ngayo kiSoweto Derby. I-journalist ke na kuMazola Mlife uvezeke la ezinye indaba ngabo ke labadlali bekutrenda ke lapha nje inkundleni zokuxhumana kwi-social media ukuthi ke labadlali babeke nokungazwani naye ke lapha ucoach yena ke uCedric Kaze
come out in commentary that the two boys Shabalala and Vilakazi were not part of the squad because of ill discipline.
Yeah.
So how much truth is there to that?
Yeah, so when we went to the presser, obviously the question came up to say, coach, what's happening with the two youngsters? Why are they not playing? And the coach said Vilakazi was injured. They tried to rush him, but he couldn't make it, failed a fitness test of some sort. Shabalala, Shaba was just a tactical decision. So I didn't take the coach's word for it. I made a couple of phone calls. And what the coach says seems to hold ground, that Vela did have a dead leg.
Okay.
He was struggling and he could not make the team. And Shaba, purely just technical. They just felt like for this particular game, they just didn't choose him. Maybe there's a layer of something else to that. But upon my digging, what
ngiyathemba ke mbukela ukuthi ke uyizwele uMazola Mlife ke lo i-journalist yalapha kwa-SABC Sports ibikhuluma ke njengalo ke lolu daba ade lokhe ke litrend lapha kwi-social media. Bekunama rumors impela kamaningi ngendaba yakhe kuVilakazi naye ke lapha uShabalala andike abantu abaningi ke baba surprise ngempela ukuthi ke uShabalala benoVilakazi how come bengekho lapha kwi starting 11 sayo kwi Kaizer Chiefs emidlalweni omkhulu njengayo kiSoweto Derby. And futhi ke before kuze kudlaleke iSoweto Derby akaze kwavela lutho ngapho, akazi kwaba nama updates ama injury besibalindele ukuthi ke sobabona ke lapha kuyona ke Kaizer Chiefs ngathi kidlala ke nalo lapha eBhakabhaka, kodwa ke kuyabe asisababoni. So yizo ke lezo ucoach ke yena ke ukhazi uyibeka kanjalo ukuthi ke injury nani noma izeke singazi mbukela ukuthi ke ngabe kuyiqiniso na, but ke zona indaba beyivelile ukuthi ke indaba ke iphathene nediscipline nani, kodwa ke ayinuki ngoswanga makuhamba ke isikhathi maybe khona ke esiyokuthola okuzovela cause ngathi kuningi okwenzakalayo lapha eNaturena. Yizo ke lezade ngiphathele zona ake ngithi ke nje danke ngiyazi bongela.